About, oh, they got more news coming out today. They coming out with all this news. Like, okay, so the information you're going to be looking into is if you on your news feed 23 hours ago, they came out with their news talking about how they launching a poison pill plan. Sounds like a bad thing, period. But that would be the news you're looking into, talking about they dividend hit, and they do got news coming out today talking about how MULN announced the series Bollinger Motors entered an agreement for a merit to provide mobile service and maintenance to Bollinger commercial fleet. Hot. That's hot news, bro. It really is. That's probably some of the best news. They got more news. Bollinger announced his partner for warranties, mobile service. That's the same exact thing.
Oh, I
Okay.
thought MULN was the car company. Yeah,
MULN, yeah, they got cars.
yeah, MULN. Yeah.
But they Bollinger too. They do Bollinger trucks.
Oh wow.
Yeah, they got like three of them, and they say that they Bollinger trucks, the B4 and the B3 and the B2 or whatever. They say that the chases, you know what the chases is? The chases is like the main part that the actual car sits on and stuff like that.
Oh, the chassis.
They say that theirs is interchangeable,
Yeah.
like like how our transformers used to transform. I guess they cast transform. You turn that thing from a cargo cab to a I don't know what other kind of cabs they got, but they do it. You know what I mean? Like a crane to lift off the back of that car and then put the new thing on there.
Yeah, that's crazy. To have
Mm-hmm.
an interchangeable chassis, I mean that's a lot because most cars are tack welded somewhere along the line as they're placed together, as the cars placed together. So for them to be able to
See,
completely take the chassis away from the casing itself, that's impressive.
I see. You need to put that in the video. When we make this video, you need to say that. Remember that. That's hot.
Okay.
Poison pill plan. How they got a partnership, and how they chassis. I didn't know that's how you pronounce it. It's interchangeable, and how that's revolutionary. We can also open up they if you would like to. I'm gonna do it right now. Because when you go to their website on Webull, it take you to a different place. So you got to you got to type in MULN in your computer, and then it'll take you to MULN Automotive, where you'll be able to actually see their vehicles and whatnot. The news they coming out is talking about they Bollinger chassis. So maybe we might take to the Bollinger section in their webpage and look at their Bollinger trucks and whatnot.
Luxurious. It's a lot easier to go through it when you already have it pulled up.
So what?
I said it's a lot easier to go through the video when you already have all the context pulled up. Ooh, look at that car, bro. That's
Yes,
clean.
I agree.
I don't really care for the truck. I mean, that's not a bad. I mean, it kind of looks like a Jeep truck or something. See how small that back seat is? Golly, that drives me nuts. I do remember the van, the Class 1 and Class 3. So, I mean, they're going to be commercialized and everything. B1 SUV and a B2 pickup. Tunica, Mississippi. Huh, that's the same place they have gambling at.
Yes, Mr. Adu was just asking me about Hewis stock. I'm not gonna make a video on Hewis stock. This stock has been volatile. Hewis stock is like a super low volume thing. We talking about like a volume of like 60,000 on this thing. It's gonna move. It went from 42 cents up to 75 cents. I didn't catch it at 42 cents, but this thing is definitely starting to go into a bit of a hot reversal right now. Talking about looking at the daily charts and the 4 hour charts and whatnot right
What's the
now.
ticker?
It's gonna start to slow down just a bit. It's gonna get choppy. But they do got a hammer on there last week, and this thing has to get to $1. I'm betting that Hughes stock is up to that dollar. So I just got about 5% right now as we speak.
Hughes.
Hughes. If it don't move fast enough, I just get out of there. You know, it's a low volume thing and whatnot.
What's the ticker?
HUIZ.
Oh yeah. Yeah, that looks good. Let me back that up. Back it up. Show me some more. Oh yeah, that's definitely coming in. That'll be coming in for a nice swing. I wonder if it'll play out this afternoon. Probably not. That'd definitely be an aftermarket dip in. What's the forecast? Yeah, just like you said, they're projecting 110. That's all across the board. Okay. Yeah, this looks like it'll be a nice little ride up to 10. So you're going to do this with MULN then? Is that how we're going to do that one?
Yes. After I share this video real quick. I already know exactly the information I'm gonna be talking about on MULN. I'm gonna talk about their current price action. I'm gonna talk about their new news. I'm gonna talk about that old news from their dividends. And we're gonna look into their websites and talk about some of their cars real quick. Be cool.
Okay. Yeah, the 52-week range is 43 to 141. Earnings date May 28th. So they definitely want to hit that dollar before the 28th. Where are they currently at? Snap. Right here. 64, 66 cents. Hmm. Well, at least they have confidence in this stock. It's a insurance brokerage and provision of insurance brokerage services through its online platform. Underwritten by insurer partners, help them to reach a large number of insurance clients. The company was founded by Kun Jun Ma in August 2006 as headquarters in Shenzhen, China.
MULN.
No, that's HUIZ. Nope. MULN is a 120,000 square foot turnkey engineering facility on 100 acres. Home of commercial vehicles center for manufacturing innovation and validation. They cool. They own 100 acres. Somebody keeps the grass mowed. I'm not gonna lie though, that is a pretty sweet car. Where'd it go? Yeah, and it is electric. You think it just sounds like whenever it speeds up? Some battery juices running. I don't know. And you know what kind of caught my attention though was, when did it say they started? Was it 2006 or 2009? When did it say? Where did I read that at? Let's just go in here and see what they're about. Damn, that car's ugly. That one's not cool like that other one. Whoa, look at this MULN GT, bro. Founded in 2002. Okay, so they've been around a while. Which was the first electric supercar in the market back in 2007. MULN GT was named by Forbes magazine as the seventh fastest American production car in 2006. That's cool. I wonder how fast that little beast goes. It doesn't look safe. Alright, so let's see here. Today, MULN is working diligent to provide exciting electric vehicle options built entirely in the United States and made to fit perfectly into American consumers' life. We are striving to make EVs more accessible than ever, and MULN has created an end-to-end ecosystem which takes care of all aspects of EV ownership, right from research and to financing to servicing. Cool. Oh, it's all robotics. I mean, they're using wind power or wind solar power, uh, to run the facility, and they play in the stocks. I guarantee you the financials on this Mo is amazing. Let's go look. MULN. Oof. Except right here, it looks pretty rough. 560. Is this at a discount? What is this typically? Oh, yeah. Let's get those a little higher. Yeah. Huge discount. It looks like. Oh, yeah. Wow. It never could recover. Tried to hold strong right there at $90. Bounced all the way back up to that 287. Probably where some people could get in, get out. And some people had to get out, so they had to go in some more. 67, it rode pretty good. So this thing has just fell straight off. But what goes up must come down. And it looks like it did have a little spike right here. And it was like, oh, wait a minute, we just started this business, so we've got to fall off here for a minute. And that's what it's done. Let's see what we're projecting. Just out of curiosity, we'll go the 4 hour. I'll stretch it out a little bit more here. Alright. So yeah, I wish we would have caught that buy signal down here back in April. That 257, that would have been nice, huh? But now it does look like it has rose up to this 583. This is where we gotta wait and see if it's gonna pull back to somewhere in between that two. Let's see. It's either gonna stop at before the 407 or the 311. Or it can skyrocket and we can ride it for a couple of days. I'd say that's just going to depend on that volume. And currently, that volume is out of spec. 4.3 million in volume, average volumes at 6.5. Yeah, it's going to come down. Reset itself. Is RSI spec? No, the RSI is nice. Not really. It's a little bit over, but it is coming back around. So let that fall back off. Reset a little bit, and we can get it on that discount for sure. Definitely want to see where MULN's headed. See if they have any plans. But I'm kind of curious with all that they were saying on the website. What do your financials look like? 18.9, pretty much 19 million in debt. What is your enterprise value? Is 30.8. Cash to equivalents 88.9. Jeez, where's all the money going then? We'd have to just break it down. Preferred stock, minority interest, free float shares is at 6.4 million. Closed held shares is at 109K. Fundamental metrics determined. Fair value of stock. Price to sell ratio is 66.03. That's good to know. So yeah. Statements. Okay. So yeah, this company was real down in their gross profit. Like, that's why they never really blew up. But for the first time, it looks like gross profit, operating income's huge. That's one that can change the whole stock even if everything else is crud. Pre-tax income, it's even in the positive by 82%. That's amazing. So this is going to want to make people want to buy into this anyway, simply because now you're starting to change factors, right? Look at your EBITDA. It was
You want to make some new money?
I'm sorry.
Got an idea. So they've been. I didn't mean to just cut you off. I was zoned out. I was trying to comments and looking up other stuff and whatnot. But I drop shipping or Shopifying. I don't even know what the difference is. But why? But I was thinking about somebody keep on telling me to do this. Like 3 people keep on asking me if I want to do this, and like they trying to get me to pay they coach or they master to show me how, and I'm like, bro, well, I can start those motherfuckers for free. This would be another entity. We can start. It's not gonna be hard to do because once it's created, it'll go on autopilot. You feel me? But the
Yeah.
hard thing would be setting these, learning exactly what we get ourselves into, choosing what product would be, and then getting that the whole website and our platform set up. That'll be the hard part. But if we focus on that for like 2 days, I'm pretty sure we can have that done. The hardest part is gonna be deciding what the best product is. I'm gonna think about that during this video. I'm finna
Why don't
start
you
this
ask
real quick. You ready?
ChatGPT? I've got to fix my ChatGPT. All that shit got messed up. Ask ChatGPT. What's the go to the blue one?
I'm gonna ask that after this video. I gotta get this video out real quick. I'm running out of time.
Which one are we doing now?
Mullen.
All right.